Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I'm gonna show you top 5 hidden tricks that you should try on this smartphone. So at first let's talk about something that makes a huge difference while using this smartphone. So at first we have to open the settings, so open tab menu and click on gear icon here. Then scroll down a little bit and move to the display part. Then tap on motion smoothness. And in these settings you can see adaptive and standard option. Take a look on the preview here how adaptive and standard options works. You can see on the left on adaptive that animations are smoother. While using this device you will see the huge difference between the adaptive screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz and standard one, which is only 60 Hz. This is a very low amount for smartphones these days, so I'm recommending using adaptive. Your animations and scrolling will be adjusting automatically, so that should be the best option for you. Make sure that you have enabled this one, but remember the battery life will be reduced, so be aware of that. The next trick is in the advanced settings features here. Tap on it, and if you are using your device in bus and you holding the grab paw or something, and the other hand is holding the smartphone, then it's hard to reach all of the corners by using your hand. If you have a small hands like me, then it is a very very tough thing to do. So to help in such situations is one-handed mode. Make sure that you enable this option here. Get into this option and see the two available options. It is gesture and button, so you can choose how you want to activate the one-handed mode. If you want using a gesture, you have to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen, or you can use a button option. You have to double tap the home button. But I will use a gesture because it is better for me. So it works like this. My device is open in one-handed mode, so it is very easy to reach all of the screen. So you can also drag this window on your right side of screen, or you can tap here on this arrow to switch to left side, and again you can drag it in a way that you want. Then if you are done and you want to stop using this mode, you have to just tap on the empty field. That was the second trick. Let's move on. Also in advanced features you can side the side button. You can see here if you double press the power button, then you can open the camera. So it works like this. I just double tap the power button. It is very useful if you want to quickly capture something, take a video or make a photo, and you have a lot amount of time. It is hard to sometimes unlock your device and tap on the camera icon. If you lock your screen and double tap the power button, it also opens the camera, so it is very useful option. You should enable this as soon as possible if you get this smartphone. So move on to the next trick. I'm gonna show you right now how to hide the camera cutout. I'm talking about this notch here. So at first you have to open the display, then scroll down and move to the camera cutout. As you can see on the preview here how it works. then you have to find your application that you wish to hide the camera cutout. So for me it will be Chrome. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So now we can see the notch here, but if you don't want this, you can get into the settings, choose the Chrome and choose the hide camera cutout, and it should look like this. In my opinion it's better, but you can do whatever you want. So let's move on to the last trick, and for last trick I'm gonna show you how to quickly optimize your device. So let's get into the settings and scroll down to the almost the bottom of the settings, and here tap on device care. So to free up the memory, you can tap here to optimize your device. As you can see, one background app is closed. It detects no high battery usage or app crashes. No applications using too much memory because it's a brand new device. I'm not having a lot of applications, so for me it's now the best performance of this device that I can see. But later, when the time passes, I can see my device slows down, so I can get into the device care and just optimize my device within one click. So that is very useful and comfortable way to speed up your device. And that was all for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a like, comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!